A total of 16 people were critically injured in a terrible accident between a TR-01B 3044 MAX vehicle and TR-01B 1208 passenger bus on Thursday afternoon. After this terrible accident, 8 injured people were taken to Jirania Hospital and others were taken to Telemura Hospital under the initiative of the opposition leader Animesh Debarma. This incident occurred in Hatai Kotor near the bridge of Chandrasadhu village. On Thursday afternoon, a TR-01V 1208 passenger bus was going towards Telemura from Agartala carrying passengers. However, after reaching a Chandrasadha village at Hatai Kotor Tin Morchara Road, the passenger bus collided head-on-head with a TR-01B 3044 MAX vehicle coming from Telemura side. Consequently, about 15 to 16 passengers were seriously injured from both the vehicle. At that moment, the opposition leader Animesh Debarma was going on his way towards Khuai from Kumulung. Looking at the incident, LUP Animesh Debarma took the initiative to send all the injured passengers who were lying on the road critically. Later, 8 injured people were taken to Jirania Hospital and others were taken to Telemura Hospital by the fire service personnel under the initiative of the opposition leader Animesh Debarma. After that, the 8 injured who were taken to Jirania Hospital were referred to Agartala GB Hospital.
দুইটা গাড়ির মধ্যে সংঘর্ষ হয়েছে এবং অনেক ইনজিওর্ড হয়েছে। এখানে তাদের ফায়ার সার্ভিস দিয়ে পাঠানো হয়েছে। এখন তেলিয়ামুড়ার ফুড কন্ট্রোলার সাহেবও আছেন আমার সঙ্গে, আরও অনেকেই আছেন। আই এম শিওর দ্যাট যারা ইনজিওর্ড ফায়ার সার্ভিস দিয়ে আমরা পাঠালাম, আরও যদি কেউ থাকে ফায়ার সার্ভিস আসবে। তেলিয়ামুড়ার এসডিকেও বললাম, উনিও আসছেন, দেখবেন ইফ দেয়ার ইজ এনি হেল্প রিকোয়ার্ড। আমরা সবাই আছি, উই আর হেল্পিং।
স্যার কতজন মতো আহত হয়েছে?
আই থিঙ্ক ইট উইল বি অ্যারাউন্ড 9-10
Sir, heavily 10 plus and injury is 20-25.
The 8 injured people who were taken to Jirania Hospital are Chiranjit Das, Deepti Das, Prashanta Sarkar, Nivaran Shil, Shamir Debarma, Manjurani Das, Tapan Das and Meena Rani Paul. Locals said that the incident occurred due to overspeeding. However, the opposition leader Animesh Debarma has clearly shown the people that he does not only ask questions to the works of the state government in the Legislative Assembly, but he is always ready to help the people of the state who are in need of situation at any time and anywhere, which he has shown the people through his work. Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.